Hello everyone. Welcome to Korean class with Mia and Leo. I'm Mia, your Korean teacher.
And I'm Leo. Today is our 11th lesson of Topic 2 reading. Can you believe we've come this far?
That's right. You know, in Korea, students study so hard that convenience stores near universities stay open all night. They call it gongsi culture.
Ha ha. That's so Korean. Well, today we are focusing on intensive review of weak areas and additional practice problems. So let's get started.
First, let's review our key vocabulary. Today we have 10 important words. Please repeat after me.
Number 1.
취약하다,
취약하다. It means to be weak or vulnerable. For example,
나는 수학이 취약하다.
I am weak in math.
Number 2.
지문,
지문. It means reading passage or text. This word is very important for topic.
Number 3.
추론하다,
추론하다. It means to infer or to deduce. When you read between the lines, you are 추론하다.
Leo's tip: in Korea, when you ask someone if they've eaten, they might actually be asking if you're okay. That's inference in daily life. Ha ha.
Leo. Focus. Okay, let's continue with the remaining vocabulary. Number 4 is
오답,
ODAP. Wrong answer. Number 5 is
중심 내용,
Yongsum Nayeon. Main idea or central content. This is the most tested concept in topic reading.
great. Now let's move to strategy review. Today we will review 3 important strategies for weak question types.
Strategy number 1, finding the main topic or title. How do we do this, Mia?
Great question, Leo. Step 1, read the first sentence and the last sentence first. They usually contain the main idea. Step 2, find repeated words. If you see the same word 3 or 4 times, it is probably the topic.
Step 3, eliminate choices that are too specific or too general. The correct answer is always just right, like Goldilocks. Ha ha.
Haha. Leo's Korean culture joke. In Korea, finding the just right answer is like finding the perfect bowl of doenjang jjigae, not too salty, not too bland.
Strategy number 2, understanding the author's argument. Look for key expressions like
해야 한다, 중요하다, 필요하다.
해야 한다, 중요하다, 필요하다. These mean must do, is important, is necessary. When you see these, the author is making an argument.
Strategy number 3, detail matching and inference. Always check the keywords in the answer choices first, then find them in the passage.
And be very careful with numbers, dates, and names. Korean exam makers love to change small details to trick you.
Excellent. Now it's time for practice problems. We have 5 questions today. Let's start with question 1 about finding the main topic.
Question 1. Read the following passage and choose the most appropriate topic. Ready? Here is the passage.
현대 사회에서 독서의 중요성은 아무리 강조해도 지나치지 않다. 책을 읽으면 어휘력과 문장 이해력이 향상되고 창의적 사고 능력도 발달한다. 특히 다양한 분야의 책을 읽으면 세상을 보는 시각이 넓어진다. 그러나 최근 스마트폰과 인터넷의 발달로 인해 독서 인구가 줄어들고 있어 이에 대한 사회적 관심이 필요하다.
The answer choices are 1. The advantages of smartphone use. 2. The importance of reading and the problem of decreasing readers. 3. Ways to develop creative thinking. 4. Positive effects of internet development.
Think about it. The passage talks about reading being important and the problem of fewer readers. Which choice covers both ideas?
The answer is number 2. The importance of reading and the problem of decreasing readers. Choice 2 covers both main points of the passage.
Question 3 is about detail matching with kimchi. Did you know kimchi was inscribed on UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage in 2013?
Haha. Leo, you just gave away the answer to question 3. The key detail is 2013, not 2015. And there are more than 200 types of kimchi in Korea.
Oops. Well, that's a free point for everyone. In Korea, they say okay is okay. Ha ha.
Now let's look at question 5 about conjunctions. This is very important. Let me explain the 4 main conjunctions in Korean.
First conjunction.
그래서,
Jure seo. Therefore. Cause leads to result. Like, I studied hard, therefore I passed the test.
Second conjunction.
그러나,
Juriona. However. This shows contrast or opposition. Like, I love Korean food, however I can't handle spicy food.
Ha ha. That's me. I love Korea but I always cry eating spicy tteokbokki. In Korean they say,
맵다, 맵다. 그러나 맛있다.
spicy, spicy. However, delicious. Ha ha.
Haha. For question 5, the passage says exercise is good, but over-exercising is harmful. That contrast means we use, however. The answer is number 2.
Now let's talk about exam day strategy. The TOPIK 2 reading exam has 50 questions in 70 minutes. That's about 1 minute and 20 seconds per question.
Mia's golden rule: if you are stuck on a question for more than 2 minutes, mark it and move on. Come back later. In Korea, they say,
빠른 포기도 전략이다.
quick surrender is also a strategy. Haha. Well, not surrender, but smart time management.
Alright everyone. Let's summarize what we learned today. First, we reviewed 10 key vocabulary words including 추약하다, jiman, and churanhada.
Second, we reviewed 3 strategies: finding the main topic, understanding the author's argument, and detail matching with inference.
Third, we solved 5 practice questions and reviewed all the answers. And I accidentally gave away the kimchi answer. Ha ha.
Next lesson, Lesson 12, we will conduct our final mock exam and review all question types comprehensively. Please study hard.
Remember, in Korea they say,
하면 된다.
Hamayan dunda. If you do it, you can do it. You can pass TOPIK. Fighting.
Thank you everyone for joining Korean class with Mia and Leo. See you next time. Goodbye.
안녕히 계세요.